This video demonstrates how to get started using your Mount Vernon E2. You'll want to make sure your unit has been properly installed and safety requirements have been met, including clearances and venting. Before getting started, remove any printed or packaging materials and double check that the firebox is empty and the firepot floor is fully closed. Make sure both cam locks are tight. They keep the cast iron baffle locked in place. Close and securely latch the firebox door. Add pellets to the hopper. Next, plug one end of the power cord into the unit and then plug the other end into the wall outlet. This will cause the combustion blower to turn on and initiate a 45-second control system check. During this time, a green light will flash. Make sure to wait for the blower to stop before turning on your appliance. The appliance comes standard with a programmable thermostat and 25 feet of wire. If you need to run more than 25 feet, make sure you use 18 to 22 gauge thermostat wire. For optimum performance, your thermostat should be located on an inside wall approximately 5 feet up from the floor. Separate the body of the thermostat from the mounting plate by gently pulling the two pieces apart. Connect your thermostat wire to the W and R terminals. Screw the backer plate to the wall using the hardware included. Snap the thermostat to the backer plate. Connect the wires to the two center screws on the terminal block. Follow the instructions in the owner's manual on how to properly program your thermostat. Next, prime the feed tube by quickly turning the dial control back and forth between off and max 2 times. The green light will stop blinking and remain lit when the unit is priming. Wait for 2 minutes. If the light does not turn solid green, then unplug the appliance, plug it back in, and repeat startup procedure. It can take up to 10 minutes before you see fire when starting your appliance for the first time. Priming is only required the first time the unit is lit, or if the hopper has run completely out of pellets. The green light will begin flashing and the stove will start. If ignition is missed twice, you will see a red flashing light on the dial control. Empty the fire pot, turn the dial control to off until the light flashes green, and then turn the dial back to desired heat output. Once a fire has been established, leave the unit burning on high for 30 minutes to allow the paint to cure. This initial burn may cause a slight odor, so feel free to open a window or just step outside of the room. Then turn the dial control to off and allow the unit to cool completely. Once the unit has cooled, open the door and clean the fire pot according to the cleaning instruction in the owner's manual. Your Mount Vernon E2 is now ready for regular use.